How about you, 30?
Water.
Water. You think water is heavier than oil naman. Ayan ang ating end product. Ganyan po ang magiging itsura niya by the end. Get your jar. We're gonna put our baking soda onto our jar. 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons. Everybody pour it. Come on, pour it. Tingin nga ako nang naipur natin. Have here our vinegar. Have your droppers with you. Use your droppers. Okay, we are going to pour vinegar mixture onto our oil and baking soda mixture. And watch what will happen. Blanche and 30. Oh, ang ganda ng kay 30. Tingnan nyo guys, ang kay 30 din. O, kay Sofia, kay Johan, successful lahat. Okay. So, the reaction is already happening. Ang ganda, di ba? Are you amazed?
Wait.
It looks really cool, right?
Opo.
Ayun. Okay. So, here are the steps that we are going to follow, everyone. Yes, 1 cup of water. I want you to drop your egg there. Sink. The eggy-deggy sank. We're gonna get another egg and we are going to put it in our salty water. Sabay nating ilalaglag. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Drop it like it's hot.
It's in the middle.
It's in the middle. If you think it's in the middle, it's not fully floating, then add more salt into it. Push it down, push it down, push it. Hala, ayaw talaga, guys. Oh, float na talaga si Eggy Deggy. Ayaw na niyang bumaba. Now, I want you to hold up the plain water and the salt water. Let's see the difference. Plain water, Eggy Deggy sank. Salt water, Eggy Deggy floats. Okay, ayan. Alright, sige. Ayan. Oh, sige. Let's take a picture, everyone. Everybody smile with your Eggy Deggies. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Oh, kunwari masaya tayo. Everybody, let's take a picture. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile. Ayun, ang cute talaga ng aking mga chikiting. Ayan.